Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Cash App account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Cash App. Then tap right here at this person's icon to open up your account information. Then just scroll down until you find support, and then right here at this search bar type in close, just like that. At the very top it shows you close your Cash App account. Just tap on that. And now it says that closing your Cash App account will disable your cash tag, prevent payments from being received, and sign you out of all sessions. So if you would like to have your account closed permanently, just tap at that confirm button. After that, your account will be permanently deleted. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Cash App tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.